It's time for the studio update. Coming up next is Tattoos of the Week, the latest in body piercing and content news. So you might want to stick around.
Hi, I am Brent and I am a tattooer. My tattoo this week is a catfish. This was a walk-in that we just happened to have a little bit of free time to squeeze this fella in, and we did. Squeeze we did. It went on his forearm and kind of left it open for some more stuff down the road. Maybe some underwater scenery. Who knows? But it was a lot of fun to work on, and I like to fish. Fishing's fun. It's also fun to drink. I actually drink more than I fish. Actually, I don't really fish. I just go out there with beer, say I'm fishing. But that's about it. All right, thanks for checking it out, folks. Bye.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's time for Tattoo of the Week. Once again, it must be Friday! Yay! So, all you creep and creepettes out there, it's almost Halloween time. Hope you're having a good time. Hope you got your costumes picked out and you're ready to go. This week, I had a young lady come in and she wanted to start a half sleeve of tarot cards. So she picked out 2 cards that she wanted and a couple spider webs she kind of liked. We just added in there. So we got it about 3/4 of the way finished. It's almost done, but I figured I'd do it since it's the time of the season and all that good stuff right now for that kind of stuff. So I hope you like it. I hope you give me a little notification down in the comments down below. Let me know if you like it. Check out the shop. Follow us. Give us a like. Don't forget about DaVo over at Axiom Body Piercing, taking care of all your body piercing needs, located here in the world-famous Skin Kitchen Tattoo Studios. Having a good old time. We got a bunch of jewelry in. We just had our tattoo Halloween customer appreciation party last Sunday. I hope you guys were there. If I didn't see you, shame on you. I'll see you again next time. But it was a really good time, man. It was a lot of fun. We got a little something probably coming up next, Tattoo of the Week. A little special right for Halloween. We'll see what goes on if I can talk the guys into doing it. But otherwise, hope to see you next week, guys. Tune in and see what happens.
DaVo here with the body piercing and content news of the week. Well, as always, had a busy week. Got a lot of things done. Lots of things accomplished. Lots of content. All that fun stuff. If you would like to come in and get pierced by me or Shannon, your best option is to set up an appointment. To do that, go to axiom.piercing.com/booking, and it'll take you through the whole process. If you're looking to get tattooed, you need an appointment to do that. We do piercings on a walk-in basis when we have time, but for the most part, if you're not gonna be able to walk in and get a tattoo, is what I'm getting at. To get that process started, to get a tattoo, send an email to shop@skinkitchen.com or give Jess a call at 515-255-4430. Now it's time for what we like to call content news. Put up a number of videos, 4 in total this week, starting on Friday with the equivalent of this, but last week. The studio update. On Sunday, post the latest episode of Q&A in the Kitchen. This one we covered what to bring to a tattoo or piercing appointment. A lot of good advice there on how to kind of take a care package and what to bring and how to deal with that and etc. You can find that here. The video version is already up in streaming. You can find the link in the description, down there. Or you can check it out on our YouTube channel. The audio-only version or podcast version will go out on Sunday. And you can find that anywhere podcasts congregate and are there for you to enjoy. Then on Monday, post the latest episode of Pros and Cons by a Piercer. This one covered triangle piercing, which is a female genital piercing. If you know somebody that's considering doing that or you're curious, check out that video. Link in the description. Now, yesterday, as in Thursday, posted the latest episode of Body Piercing Basics. This one I covered The Passion of the Piercing, Part 2, or The Passion of the Piercer, Part 2. This one I covered what questions you could ask to find out how passionate somebody is about what they're doing and whether or not you should get pierced by them or if they're the person that's right for you. That's it. If you'd like to see any of this content and you're on Facebook, go over to our YouTube page. Link is in the description above. While you're there, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Also share and like this video. Share with everybody you possibly can think of. And if you're on YouTube, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Let us know that you liked it, because we like it when you like it. We love words of encouragement, so make a comment if you'd like to. And other than that, check out the merch store. Link is in the description on both platforms. Lots of t-shirts, lots of fun stuff, lots of designs. With all that said, here's Jack with his tattoo of the week.
What's up, you crazy kids? It's Jack at Skin Kitchen Tatarooskies for 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know what I was going to say, really. It's late. I've been working all day. But anyways, hey, I got a color one for you today. I do a lot of black and gray per customer request, but I really enjoy doing both, so I always love doing color as well. So here it is. It's some flowers, of course. Floral's very popular, as it should be, because there's a lot of different flowers. And you really can't offend anybody with a flower, you know? You can't, I mean, nobody, like tattoos or not, you can't really get any more offended from a flower. So anyway, did some color flowers on her, 2 different settings. She sat super duper good. She's only got a couple other smaller tattoos, so this was a pretty big undertaking for a first timer, being color and coming up over the shoulder onto the collar. And she did super. She really couldn't have sat any better. Especially for a younger gal, she was a dream to work with. So anyway, she brought me in a sketch, and I love when people do that. You know, even if you think you're a terrible drawer, it really gives me a good idea, or it helps me get into your head a little bit. You know, just kind of placement and, you know, kind of what you want to focus on and what, you know, not so much focus on. So yeah, don't shy away from that. We won't laugh at you until you're gone at your drawing, I promise. So anyway, probably did 8 hours, I think, altogether on this. 4 hours the first, 4 hours the second, probably. And yeah, I thought it was very pretty, and it complimented her very well. So I hope you like looking at it. And you're almost done. I'm pretty much the last one. You just got to hear DaVo yell a little more. So check us out next week, and call us up. Make an appointment so we can have some fun and tattoo ya. All right. Well, have a good week, and get out your winter coat, because it's freaking cold. All right. Bye.
Well, that's it. You've consumed it. You've been updated. You can feel good about yourself. All that's left for me to tell you is, here's hoping all your tattoos and piercings heal with ease and without a single issue. And if you're in the Des Moines, Iowa area, we all look forward to seeing if your tattooing and body piercing needs in the future. Have a good day, everybody. Take care. Thank you for watching. And check out one of these other videos we keep posting. Yeah, some of those are pretty good. I'd even watch them.